Welcome to the third episode of the Wotage tutorial series with a famous Japanese wotage player, Hako. If this is your first time watching our tutorial, I strongly recommend checking out the first episode to learn the fundamentals. Today, my gosh, you're going to learn the most popular Sabiwaza, Thunder Snake. In wotage terms, we have something called Sabiwaza. Sabi means chorus and waza means an wotage move. So Sabiwaza refers to an wotage move performed during the course of a song. It usually lasts for 4 sets of 8 counts for a total of 32 beats. Again, this is the most popular waza. Are you ready? Hako will teach you everything about it. Let's go!
Hi, I'm Hako from Team Mo. Today, I'd like to teach you how to do thunder snake. But before we go to the tutorial, let me show you my demonstration. Let's go! This is the most famous waza, thunder snake. Let me describe each move first. The whole movement is like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's go to the details.
First, extend your right hand straight from right to left. Next, bring it back to your right side while wrapping it around in a circular motion. We call this guru-guru motion in Japanese. Then, draw 4 large circles using both hands. At this point, the right hand draws a large circle with the shoulder as the center, while the left hand draws a smaller circle with the elbow as the center. An important point to note here: for the first circle, use 2 count to add contrast and control the motion. For the remaining circles, use 1 count per circle. After finishing the circles, use your wrist to draw small circles with both hands in the upper left area of your body. Then, pull both hands straight down toward the lower right. When both hands meet at the lower right, continue the circular motion and make 1 large rotation around your body. As the motion reaches your right hip, transition into 6 thrusting movements. The snake thunder. First, thrust downward to the lower left with your right hand. Next, thrust downward to the lower right with your left hand. Then, thrust twice at the shoulder height, followed by 2 thrusts above your head. After completing the 6 thrusts, wrap your hands inward and bring them to the right side of your body. Then, forcefully thrust both hands straight down toward the lower left.
Finally, pull in, push out, pull back again. Hit the Romance Keiho pose. And the thunder snake is completed. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay, now let's practice together. Okay, now let's try combination of Roland and Thundersnake. Let's go.
Thundersnake is often one of the first Sabiwaza people learn and is super popular. I'm really excited to see everyone's Thundersnake. Want to share your Thundersnake with me and others? Join the Wotage USS server and share your Wotage journey. Chat with others about your progress, exchange tips, and learn together. Got questions? We host monthly Q&A collabs with professional Wotage players so you can get answers directly from them. Join the server and let's make your Wotage journey even more fun.
It's important to connect all the moves of Thundersnake smoothly. By keeping this in mind, your move will be more natural and clear. It is also important to be mindful of when to move faster and slower while performing Thundersnake. For example, when you make 4 circles, accelerate your move near your knee. To make your Thundersnake even better, it's important to make your move wide. Bigger light trails and body movement will make your Thundersnake more dynamic and cracked. Let's practice more and more.
This tutorial is brought to you by Neon Shrine. Let's shine together.